Hi guys, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to introduce Wildgrain. Wildgrain is a brand that produces and supplies frozen, ready-to-bake foods. Over here is my Wildgrain box. It arrived well packaged. I mean, very well packaged. Even if I were to leave this box here for like 3 more days, I believe the things in there will still be frozen. They really did a very good job with the box. I left the dry ice outside and it took like some days for it to even melt. This is the list of the things in this box, which I'm going to show you guys one by one. I so much appreciate the fact that this brand follows up with you, like they send you text messages letting you know when the box will be delivered. Like I got a text message few hours before this was delivered to me, and I also got another text message immediately they dropped it off. These are the items in my box. I have some sourdough bread, I have some biscuits, I have fresh pastas, I have croissant. In each box, they'll give you free croissant. When you go on their website, there are varieties of items, foodstuff to choose from. So you can choose whatever you want to be in your white grain box and it will be shipped to you free. Okay, they offer free delivery. When the box arrive, you have the option of keeping them in the freezer to use whenever you want, or you can just put them straight in the oven. You don't need to defrost them, you don't need to thaw them, just put them straight in the oven. But I kept mine in the freezer. The next day was when I baked them and cooked the pastas. So here I'm going to show you each of them and show you guys how they all turned out. Each item have instructions to follow and it is so easy and simple to follow. So basically just line your baking pan with a parchment paper and then it will tell you the temperature and for how long you should leave it to bake. So this is the croissant and see how buttery and flaky it is looking. Now this is the orange cranberry biscuit. I'm also going to follow the instruction in the pack and bake it. And in a few minutes, I'll show you guys the end result. Then this is the end result of this biscuit. This is how it turned out, guys. To be honest with you, I enjoyed this biscuit. This is one of my favorite things in this box. I so much enjoyed this cranberry biscuit. Next, I'm going to put the sourdough harvest bread in the oven. At this point, I'm going to let you guys watch to the end of the video and see each of the things I got and how they all turned out after baking them. Now, when it comes to the pasta, just boil water, add salt, and throw in the pasta. Do not thaw it, okay? Put it in frozen form and let it cook. I made some Alfredo with this fettuccine and my kids loved it so much. I purposely let it cook till very soft because my kids love it when it is soft. But you can choose to do yours however you want. This is my chicken Alfredo. Make sure you watch out for the recipe. And then I also cooked the tornarelli. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but sure, I cooked it and it just looked like our regular Indomie in Nigeria. This is how it looked. I also enjoyed it. This is how it looked after cooking it, after boiling it. This is me enjoying my croissant and then the biscuit later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and not just that, just order a box of wild grain. Use the link in the comment section or in the description box so that we get some discounts. The first 50 persons that will use the link will get $10 off their first box plus free croissant in every box. This is Christmas time, guys. You can send this box to someone as a gift. You can send it to any state here in the US. Just order it and put the person's address and it will be delivered to the person. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.